Now, we're also going to provide you 1 year of key replacement. Have you ever lost a key or a key fob?
Oh, yes.
Did you end up paying to have it replaced?
I didn't.
You are so typical. 80% of the people that lose a key or a key fob don't replace it. They just take better care of their last one. What that means is a lot of people don't know how much it costs to replace one of those things these days. Look, it's not really a key fob, it's a mini computer. In fact, it's probably the most expensive computer per ounce that you'll ever own. Because when you replace them, you've got to replace the chip inside. It requires software, and it also requires programming. Your average key replacement, key fob replacement, is about $300, and they can run up to 5 or 6, and some of them will be as low as $200 to $250. And even though most people don't pay to have them replaced, they do pay for them, because when they go to trade or sell their car, the dealership or the private buyer is going to want 2 keys, and if there aren't 2 keys there, chances are they'll have a good idea of what they cost to replace, and they will just deduct that from the amount that they're willing to pay you for the car. So you've got it complimentary for a year. That too can be extended. I would certainly look into that if I were you. And during that first year, we will replace up to 2 keys. And here's sort of a bonus. If you lose an entire key ring, we'll pay up to $200 to replace other keys on your key ring. Okay?